How to clear your Instagram search history. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can easily and quickly clear out the history of your Instagram search results. So in order to demonstrate, the first thing that I will be going to do is simply launch the Instagram application by tapping onto the app icon. And now you can see I am inside the Instagram application. And now let's say if I simply search using this search button, and if I search here over the search bar, you can see the recent search history right here. So in order to remove all of these search results, all you will need to do is simply click onto this X icon over their search results. So keep on clicking onto this X buttons and all of the search history will be removed. So you can do them like this, and as you can see, just within seconds your search results will be cleared out. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.